Hello, good afternoon. Mr. McGowan here from the History Department. And I know I speak for all of the U.S. history teachers when I tell you that we are excited for the new school year and that it was really nice to meet you and work with you during our Google Meets this week. The syllabus has been posted to your course on the Schoology website. The outlines from our Google Meet meetings are there as well. If you want to navigate and practice some of the Google tools or any of the other items that we discussed during those meetings, you can now do so at your Schoology page. Please email your teachers if you have any questions. Remember, we're all learning something new, so we do expect to hear from some of you if you have any issues and or concerns. Your schedule is also posted on your Schoology page, meaning you can find the synchronous versus the asynchronous schedule, or the live versus not live schedule. It is our expectation that you are working on U.S. history. If you're not live with us, you are still using that period of time to work on your U.S. history every day. Any clarity needed, or if you have any questions, again, feel free to email. For those of you who are go-getters, for those of you who want to get a head start, Chapter 5 has been posted, and you are welcome to go ahead and begin reading about the changes on the Western Front, although that's entirely up to you. We know that it's a 3-day weekend. We intend to enjoy it, and we would love for you to enjoy your weekend as well. But if you want to begin reading about the Western Frontier, have at it. Finally, when we hit the ground running next week, we want you to have a bit of a background. So if you can just make sure that you review your syllabus a little bit, either on Friday afternoon or at some point during the weekend, that way you'll be prepared with any questions that you may have for us. Also, it's key to recognize when you're supposed to be online with the teacher live in a Google Meet, or when you should be working independently. Again, feel free to email your teacher if you have any questions. You will be able to utilize the same code that you used, the same nickname that you used to get into your Google Meet with your U.S. history teacher to get onto our next live class. With that, that's plenty of information. I'll leave you to it. So please make sure you check into your Schoology either Friday afternoon or at some point during the weekend. And more importantly, enjoy your 3-day weekend, and we look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.